these, those. Choose the correct word, these or those, and fill in the blanks to complete the sentences. These is used to refer to a person or thing that is plural and close to the speaker. Those is used to refer to a person or thing that is plural and far away from the speaker. The boy is holding a basket of fruits. These are fruits. Stars are many and they are far away. Those are stars. The boy is talking about the toys and they are near him. These are my toys. The books are many and the girl is near them. These are my books. We see more than one bird and they are away from the speaker. Those birds are on the tree.